Hello viewers, this is Tyler Michael of Mall Intruder, and tonight we are at the St. Louis Premium Mall. Tonight we are going to be doing a petition. We're going to be experimenting, seeing how people react to our Flat Earth petition to get the Flat Earth model in the public school system, replacing this old ball earth model that no one still believes in today's world. We're just going to be getting people's reactions, seeing how they respond to such a controversial petition, see how they handle this with, all the circumstances. So, with that being said, it's time to get on the move with this channel's first ever prank. Excuse me, sirs. I've got a petition here. I was wondering if either of you would be interested in signing. All right, thank you. Excuse me, guys. I've got a petition here. I was wondering if any of you would be interested in signing.
Probably not. Thank you, though.
All right, thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. I've got a petition here. I was wondering if you were interested in signing it, or...
What's it for?
Well, basically what we're doing here, I've been going around trying to get people to sign this petition for, is basically education reform. In a way, our education system, it's outdated, it's really terrible, okay? Basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the flat earth model in our education system, okay? Like, the ball earth model, no one believes in it anymore. It's outdated, it's ridiculous, it's stupid. So we're just trying to get this flat earth model in the public school system so that, people are going to finally stop teaching it, okay? So I was just wondering if you were able to sign it for me. I've already gotten a few signatures here. Sure. Yeah, that would just be fantastic if you could do that. Yeah, just name, phone number, whatever you want to write. Yeah, I'm sorry about that pen. Just do the best you can. I don't know if it really matters. Just as long as we get the signature and the personal information. Oh yeah, just take your time. There's no problem at all.
A few moments later.
All right, thank you very much, ma'am. This really means a lot. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Petition here. I was wondering if you were interested in signing it, or no? You, ma'am? Okay. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. I've got a petition here. I was wondering if you were interested in signing it.
No, thank you.
All right. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. I've got a petition here. I was wondering if you were interested in signing it.
Depends on what it's for.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you. It's basically education reform. We're trying to reform the school system, basically update it. Our school system, it's outdated. No one believes in the ball earth model anymore. It's, we're in a flat earth world in today's world. So basically we're trying to get the flat earth into our school system. So I don't know if you would be interested in signing for that, or...
Not really, no.
Okay, thank you very much. Excuse me, guys. I have a... All right, thank you.
Oh my God!
I've got a petition here. I was wondering if you would be interested in signing. All right, thank you.
Are they not recording? Are you recording, Crickshaw?
Excuse me, sir. I've got a petition here. I was wondering if you were interested in signing.
I'm sorry, I don't speak any English. Gotcha.
But seriously, would you like to sign it, or?
I'm good, thank you.
All right, thank you. Any of you guys, or?
What's it for?
It's basically education reform. We're trying to get we're basically trying to renew some of the really old things that have been in our school system,
Like?
which would be, the main thing is the flat earth model. Basically, the flat earth model, we're trying to update the flat earth, studies show that most people nowadays in this country now believe that the earth is flat.
And
So,
who does that?
it's just random studies on the internet, are now showing it,
So
all over the
you
place.
think the earth is flat?
Well, I mean, it's a widely accepted scientific belief at this point, It's just a thing.
That didn't answer my question.
Well, yeah.
You think it's flat?
Well, yeah. I mean, that's what the whole thing is for,
And What are you basing that off of?
You know, these are scientific studies, you know, this is scientific stuff here, okay?
So name me one scientific study that shows me that.
Well, I can't name them off the top of my head, but like, these are studies that are actually done, okay? So you could look them up.
But
You
you
know?
can't tell me any of them that you know about.
Well, I can't just say a study, you know, I mean, I don't know the name of them, but like, they're done.
But you should have facts that back up what you're saying.
Well, yeah, there are tons of facts. You could just look at any of them.
You can't give me any facts.
Well, no, not right now.
Okay. got it.
Okay, so,
Perfect.
yeah. All right, well, thank you for your time, sir.
You got
I
it. Thank
assume
you.
this means you don't want to sign it, or?
No, that's okay.
All right, thank you very much.
Good luck. Have a good evening.
You too, thank you. Guys, that worked out pretty darn fantastically. We got all kinds of reactions. We actually got someone to sign this, believe it or not. It was pretty spectacular. This is Tyler Michael of Mall Intruders, and that has been yet another experiment that has worked to pretty much perfection. All right, we'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you want us to do. We want to be your slaves. We will do whatever you tell us to do. Let's go. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you next time.